Oh, hey. Didn't see you there. Just standing in my kitchen. I was working and I was like kind of thirsty. So I came to my kitchen to get a glass of water. I do like this glass, but I saw another mason jar glass in there. I think I'm gonna use that instead. This is a glass, an old smoky glass from a shoot that I did about 3 years ago. Got a whole bunch of moonshine. Couldn't really finish them. They're good. I just couldn't finish them. But let's go ahead and get some water. Yeah, that's enough. What I like about this mason jar is it has little measurements on it. So it's about 3/4 right now. So I think that's pretty cool. I can't decide if this looks stupid. I have a microphone on my hat. And like I see it in my peripheral and I keep like doing this because I think something's right there, but it's just the microphone because I'm not used to it. Got some Mrs. Meyer cleaning day. I've noticed that it has a lot of writing on it, but I've never actually read what it says. So let's read it together. Ever wonder what compassion smells like? This multi-surface cleaner has sweet floral notes like the scent of our one-of-a-kind compassion flower, a hybrid of a pansy, meaning to think of, and a spreading viola to help grow kindness. It's said that practicing compassion, like cleaning counters, is always a good habit. That's pretty cool. Well, with that, let's take this paper towel. Only one square because we don't like to waste around here. Let's fold that in half. Just a couple sprays. I'm just gonna wipe this counter right here. Oh, did I spray it in my water? I don't think so. When I'm cleaning counters, I like to go in circular motions like this. Oops. It just makes it feel like it's cleaner. Go ahead and go over here on the stovetop. Yeah. Ooh. I definitely did clean. This isn't sponsored by Mrs. Meyer's, by the way. I just saw it laying over there and decided to read it because it had words on it. So. I wonder what everybody else is doing right now. I'm over here standing in my kitchen talking to a camera. Is anybody else doing that in the world? Probably. Probably. There has to be at least one other person in their kitchen right now as I talk. There has to be, right? Yeah. Well, thanks for standing in my kitchen with me. Guess I'll get back to work.